Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started just relaxing our bodies, closing our eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Again, we take a deep breath, breathing in and let it out through your mouth. Begin to lower your left ear to your left shoulder, and you can place your left hand on top of your head. Relax your arm as you lower your chin towards your chest. And if you want a bit of a deeper stretch, you can clasp your hands behind the back of your head. Release your arms as you bring your right ear to your right shoulder this time, placing that right hand on top of your head. Relax that right arm as you drop your head back. Bring your head back to center as you grab onto the steering wheel and we come into a seated cow pose, arching the back, looking back again. And now cat pose, tuck your chin in towards your chest and round your upper back. Again, cow pose and cat pose. One more time, cow pose and cat pose. We come back up and you're just going to keep your left hand on the steering wheel as you look over your right shoulder. Switch sides. Let's come back to center as we take some wrist circles and some hand circles. Switch directions. And now place your hands on your shoulders as you take some big shoulder circles to the back. And now to the front. You can relax, and we bring our hands to heart center. Let's take a deep breath, breathing in through our nose, and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.